Hi there, students. To wither on the vine. Well, normally a vine is the plant that grows grapes, yeah, where you get grapes from. And to wither means to dry up, to shrivel, um, due to loss of moisture, loss of water. So if something shrivels on the vine, if it withers on the vine, it doesn't come to fruition. It ends prematurely, usually because nobody's doing anything to help it or support it. So unfortunately, my plans withered on the vine. I didn't get to implement them. They started building these new houses, but then the zoning laws or the planning permission was refused, and the construction withered on the vine. Okay, so if it withers on the vine, yeah, it finishes prematurely. It doesn't come to fruition. Normally because it's been ignored or neglected, or maybe because it's been impractical, or maybe you just don't have enough money. Yeah, my holiday plans withered on the vine because I just didn't have any cash. Notice, to wither on the vine, this can be literal. The grapes withered on the vine because there had been a terrible drought that year, a lack of water. My tomatoes withered on the vine because they were seriously affected by aphids. Okay, but more normally we use this figuratively to come to a premature end. Yeah, to fall by the wayside. To go by the wayside, to go down the tubes, to go to rack and ruin, to go to the wall, maybe even to go up in smoke. To sink without trace, or maybe it just slips through your fingers as well. Okay, so plans can wither on the vine. They're not successful. They don't come to a successful end. This is quite a common idiom. So he started learning English, but then it withered on the vine because he just didn't have enough time to study. So don't let your English wither on the vine, because generally your English is very good indeed. Okay, this is an idiom. Formality. I think I'd probably give it a 4.5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation or in a semi-formal writing, but nothing very formal. As an idiom, yeah. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the word wither. Yeah, to wither, to shrink, to dry up, which comes from a Middle English word, withering, to expose to weather. Yeah, so if it's exposed to bad weather, then it may wither on the vine, and the vine is just the grapevine, the plant itself. Okay, so don't let your English wither in the vine. Don't let it shrivel up and die because you don't have the time to do it. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To wither on the vine. Something withers on the vine.